Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete one photo from multiple photos post on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture right there to move on to your profile page, and then just open up a post that contains multiple photos. Here I got 7 photos at one carousel post, and all you have to do in order to remove any photo is just hit right here at 3 dots icon and then select edit. Once you did that, you are able to remove any photo from that post just by hitting right there at that trash icon. You can just tap on that. Now it says if you are really want to delete this media, after you finish editing, you will be able to restore this media from your activity in the profile menu within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So you can just hit on delete to remove that photo from the post, then you can hit on done. And now let me show you that there are 6 different photos now in that post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.